Greetings everyone, welcome to Sage Adolescence. So today we're going to focus on statistics part. We are going to focus on statistics part as a form of data presentation. So if it's your first time to reach this channel, don't forget to click subscribe. If you subscribe, you receive a notification after a new released video. And also, if you already subscribed, please don't forget to like these videos. Also, don't forget to share. So as you see on the whiteboard, we are given this question. And we are asked to show this data on a stem and leaf diagram. We are asked to show the data on the stem and leaf diagram. All right. We're given the question. A group of 10 students in Form 4 class. A group of 10 students in Form 4 class. Their ages was recorded. Maybe the data was recorded by their teacher. Maybe the data was collected and recorded by their teacher. And their ages are shown. We have 16, we have 17, we have 16, we have 18, then we have 19. Then for the last 5 students, we have 17, 16, 16, 18, 15. Then the question said, draw the stem and leaf diagram for the data above. Draw the stem and leaf diagram for the data above. So the stem and leaf diagram sometimes can be called stem plot. Stem and leaf diagram is same as stem plot, so don't be confused by these two. You may be asked to construct the stem plot, or sometimes we may be asked to represent the data on a stem and leaf diagram. It's one and the same thing. Remember, as I said, after watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. So in order to show this data on a stem and leaf diagram, first of all, we have to draw the draft of this given data. We have to draw the draft of this given data. So for the draft, we are saying we should divide. Right. We should divide these values into two. Since we have stem and leaf, we have the first one which is stem, then the second one which is leaf. So we should divide this column into two. We have the stem column and the leaf column. This one is stem, then this one is leaf. Right. The next step from these given values, remember we have two digits per value. We have 1 and 6, which is 16. We have 1 and 6, which is 16. So for the stem, let's write the first value from these two digits, which is 1. Then the second value is 6, which means 6 should be shown on the leaf side. The 6 should be shown on the leaf side. Right. It's just a symbol. So let's now represent our data. On the stem and leaf diagram using this key. One digit to the stem and 1 digit to the leaf. Right. So from our given data, let's first indicate the smallest value. Which one is the smallest value here? So the smallest value for the smallest age is 15. The smallest age is 15, which means this one we have to write 5 here. we only have the smallest value 15, only have one value. Remember, we have 16, 17, 16, 18, 19, 17, 16, 16, 18, 15. We have only one value for 15. Then let's move on another value. Another value, we have 16, but for 16, we have 4 digits. So we have 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. So for 16, we have 4 digits. Then for the another value, we have 7, but 7 we have 1, 2. We have 1, 2. Then, which means for 17, we have 2 digits again. Then let's move on another one. We have 18. For 18, we have 2 digits on left side. Then the last one is 19. Only have this one digit, which is 9. Right. This one is just a draft. This one is just a draft. Right. Since this one is a draft, remember, the draft will help you to arrange these values. Remember, sometimes we will be given the data. And that data, let's say we are given the values from 10. Let's say from 10 to 19, then from 20 to 29. Then remember, this data, let's assume we are given 7 and remember, this data is not in order. It's not in order of their sizes. So for your final plot, we have to write these values according to their size. Start with 6, then followed by another 6, then 7, then 8. But from our given data, the data is already arranged in the original form. We have 6 here, 6 here. So for the final solution, I'll just say stem, then leaf. Stem and leaf. Then we have 5, 1, then 5, then already in order, of size, which is 6, 6, then 1, 7, already in order of size again. Then we have 8, we have 1 here, then 8, 8, then already in order of size again. Then the last one is 19, which is already in order of their size. Then the last option, after completing stem and leaf diagram or the stem plot, you have to write the key. So the key for the key, it says stem and leaf, which means for the key we are saying for stem side, then for leaf side. Alright. For the stem side and leaf side, you have 1, 5. This means 15. So this is how to display the data on a stem plot or stem and leaf diagram. So as I said, after watching this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.